Welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we will discuss two essential vegetables for any vegetable garden: white cabbage and red cabbage. White cabbage, also known as Brassica oleracea var. Capitata is a versatile and nutrient-packed vegetable used in a variety of culinary dishes, from crunchy salads to savory stews. It is relatively easy to grow, and its health benefits due to its high vitamin C and K content are well known. Red cabbage, a close relative of white cabbage, is distinguished by its vibrant color due to anthocyanins, which not only provide a pleasing visual aspect but also powerful antioxidant properties. It can be used in salads, pickles, and various dishes, adding not only a splash of color, but also health benefits. We invite you to watch this episode to discover the secrets of growing and using these wonderful vegetables in your garden and kitchen. If you like what you see, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our news. Enjoy! The first step in cabbage cultivation is planting, and this is where the magic of modern technology comes into play. We use specially designed machines for this task, which not only make the farmer's work easier, but also ensure perfect planting. These advanced pieces of equipment guarantee uniform distribution and the correct depth for each seed, maximizing the chances of a rich and healthy harvest. Once the cabbage reaches maturity, it is harvested with the help of specialized machinery, transforming this process into a true agricultural art form. Using advanced technology in harvesting not only saves time and effort, but also ensures superior quality of the final product. Mechanized harvesting involves machines equipped with precise blades and delicate gripping systems that cut the cabbage at the base and handle it carefully to avoid damage. These machines can work quickly and efficiently, covering entire hectares in record time. Additionally, many of these machines are equipped with sensors and smart technologies that adjust the cutting depth and angle according to the size and position of each cabbage head. After harvesting, the cabbage is transported directly to processing or storage facilities, where it is prepared to reach consumers' tables fresh and delicious. This efficient and well-coordinated process reduces losses and ensures the preservation of the cabbage's nutritional qualities. Once the cabbage reaches the factories, it is prepared to reach supermarkets through a series of meticulous steps, ensuring that each cabbage head is of the highest quality and ready for consumption. Here's how this process unfolds. Upon arrival, the cabbage is sorted and inspected to remove any damaged or unhealthy heads. This step is essential to maintain quality standards. The cabbage is packed in bags or boxes designed to maintain freshness. The packaging is labeled with product information, expiration dates, and other relevant details. The packaged cabbage is stored in temperature-controlled conditions to prevent spoilage. It is then transported to supermarkets and other sales points. The role of cabbage in human life. Cabbage is an essential food in the human diet due to its numerous health benefits. Cabbage is rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. These contribute to strengthening the immune system, improving digestion, and protecting cells from oxidative damage. It is used in a variety of culinary dishes, from fresh salads to soups and cooked meals. Sauerkraut is appreciated for its natural probiotics that support gut health. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.